Hey,
Subscribe this YouTube
everyone.
channel.
Welcome to our easy English conversation zone. Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you.
Lesson 8.
Let's get started. I arrive at my workplace on time. Being on time shows responsibility. I start my work with a fresh mind. I set my daily goals. Goals keep me motivated. I talk politely with everyone. Polite words create respect. I avoid loud talking. Loud talking disturbs others. I maintain a calm attitude. I prepare my tools before starting work. Preparation saves my time. I check if everything is working well. Checking prevents mistakes. I follow safety rules strictly. Safety is important for all workers. I wear the required safety gear. Safety gear protects me. I keep my work area clean. A clean area increases productivity. I communicate clearly with my coworkers. Clear communication avoids confusion. I explain things slowly. Slow talking helps understanding. I do not use difficult words. Simple English is best for everyone. I ask if someone needs help. Helping others builds teamwork. I smile when talking to people. A smile makes communication easy. I stay focused on my tasks. Focus improves work quality. I avoid chatting too much. Unnecessary talking wastes time. I work with full dedication. Dedication makes me stronger. I finish one task before starting another. This keeps my work clean. I avoid mixing up tasks. Mixing tasks creates mistakes. I take responsibility for my actions. Responsibility builds trust. I take advice from experienced workers. Advice helps me improve. I learn from my senior workers. Seniors have more experience. I share my ideas when needed. Sharing ideas creates progress. I stay flexible with my work. Flexibility helps in every job. I accept changes positively. Change is part of every workplace. I follow new instructions quickly. I adapt to new systems. Adaptation makes me a strong worker. I avoid complaining. Complaining solves nothing. I focus on solutions. Solutions make work better. I stay active throughout the day. I take proper rest during breaks. Breaks recharge my energy. I drink water to stay hydrated. Hydration helps my body work well. I eat light food during work. Light food keeps me fresh. I maintain a friendly attitude. Friendly behavior creates good teamwork. I avoid conflicts. Conflicts waste time and energy. If a problem happens, I stay calm. Calmness helps me think better. I talk gently to solve issues. Gentle words reduce tension. I avoid blaming others. Blaming creates negativity. I accept my mistakes. Accepting mistakes makes me mature. I fix my mistakes quickly. Fixing mistakes improves my skills. I keep learning new things. Learning never stops. I watch English videos to improve. Videos help me learn. I practice speaking every day. Practice builds fluency. I try to pronounce words clearly. Clear pronunciation helps understanding. I repeat new words to remember them. Repetition improves memory. I try to speak without fear. Fear stops learning. I stay confident while talking. Confidence makes my English better. I work hard for my future. Hard work always pays off. I stay motivated every day. Motivation pushes me forward. I believe in myself. I will improve step by step.